We're in the courtyard area of Firethorne Apartments, 1320 to 1370 Brook Street. And we're going to meet up with Monica in a minute here to show us through an apartment. This is the courtyard area. Obviously, the pool is still closed, but you can see it's a nice pool and patio. The lawn chairs are down in the back there, all covered up. But let's go meet up with Monica and take a walk through. So Monica is coming out to meet us to take us through this apartment. The stairs are nice and gradual, coming up to 1350J, where we're going to meet Monica to walk us through the apartment. Here's Monica.
Hello, welcome. Coming in. So here we are. Nice, spacious, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We are in a living room and we have a nice fireplace. Of the living room, nice balcony where you can sit summertime, put some chairs and tables. And we're back in the unit.
What's behind the door straight ahead, Monica?
Here we have washer and dryer, along with utility water heater, washer and dryer.
Looks like lots of space to store all the good stuff here too.
Exactly, and also like nice entrance closet.
Great.
Okay. Intercom, so you can like buzz in your visitors. Also packages.
And now we're on to the kitchen.
Wonderful.
Oh, this is a big dining area, isn't it?
It is, and a lot of cabinet space. The nice updated stainless steel appliances, electric stove. We have nice entry area. Room to store.
Great storage.
A lot of room to store your food.
Oh, that looks like disposal in the sink.
Yes, it is.
Great.
We're gonna upgrade here. Dishwasher. Now we're moving towards the bathrooms and the bedrooms. So first full bathroom with a bathtub. And let's follow me. So we have nice linen closet on the hallway. And here we have a first bedroom, great size, good size closet, a lot of natural lights. And I don't know if I mentioned, it's a central heat and an AC. You control it. Tenant is responsible for gas and electric. And now we're in a master bedroom. Wonderful size. And we're gonna show us like nice walk-in closet. And the master bath with a standing shower.